Hi, myself Tamim Mandsaurwala. I am the Managing Director of Excel Home Decor. We are a home decor company, started in 1998. We started with wallpapers and wall covering. We introduced a lot of international wall coverings to the Indian market. Over the years, we have transformed from a wallpaper company to a home decor company. We added floorings and furnishing to our portfolio during our journey. Our newest addition is the fabric furnishing, which we introduced this year. Excel Home Decor isn't just about walls and floor. It's about a journey, a 25-year evolution of transforming houses into homes. This is a natural weave series consisting of 5 collections, covering all the segments from drapes, sheer, upholstery, wall coverings and wall murals. This is the Jardin collection. It's a coordinated collection of fabrics with wall coverings. We have presented it as a story in one collection. This is the most talked about collection at the moment, Jacobean Garden. Again, this is a coordinated collection of wall coverings and fabrics all in one. So we have all the designs color coordinated and design coordinated by group, by design in the book. This is another coordinated collection of wall coverings with fabric called Tapestry Menor. Back to roots. These are the wall coverings that we specialize in, sourced internationally from leading brands across the world. This is a collection of beautiful wall murals consisting of varied design, digitally printed on varied surface, consisting of varied natural wall coverings.
Excel Home Decor. Beautiful, made easy.